never a night or a problem that could defeat sunrise or hope by Bernard Williams. What I know for sure is that every sunrise is like a new page, a chance to write ourselves and receive each day in all its glory. Each day is a wonder by Oprah Winfrey. Another sunrise, another new beginning by Jonathan Lockwood Boyd. Opportunities are like sunrises. If you wait too long, you miss them. William Arthur Ward. Every sunrise is an invitation for us to arise and brighten someone's day by J.C. Craig. Rest but never quit. Even the sun has a sinking spell each evening, but it always rises the next morning. At sunrise, every soul is born again by Muhammad Ali. Cherish the times you can watch the sunrise. There's only so many in a lifetime. We can only appreciate the miracle of the sunrise if we have waited in the darkness by Sapna Reddy. I hope you realize that every day is a fresh start for you, that every sunrise is a new chapter in your life waiting to be written by Johnson Dizon. There is always a way and always hope in the next sunrise, and in the next chicken, and in the next minute by Ziggy Marley. The darkness that follows a sunset is never so dark that it can change the inevitability of a sunrise by Craig D. Lounsbrough. In the twilight of the morning, all life silently waits for the sunrise. Sun must rise for the darkness to sink. Mehmet Morad Eldan. I wanted every day, everybody to see a sunrise and be knocked out by the miracle of it. The world being created every morning by Mordecai Justin. Don't you feel you get value for your day if you've actually watched the sunrise? By A.J. Vos. Let the beauty of sunrise keep your heart warm. Layla Gifty Akita. The beautiful sunrise, oh sunlight, the most precious gold to be found on earth, by Roman Paine. If you are in a beautiful place where you can enjoy the sunrise and sunset, then you are living like a Lord. Nathan Phillips. The secret to a good morning is to watch the sunrise with an open heart by Anthony T. Hinks. It's almost impossible to watch a sunrise and not dream by Bernard Williams. Let the beauty of sunrise keep your heart warm by Layla Gifty Peta. Each time I see a beautiful sunset or sunrise, I have to pinch myself because I can't believe that I'm awake and not dreaming. By Anthony T. Higgs. I will always be that girl who gets excited when the sky turns pretty colors. At sunrise, the blue sky paints herself with gold colors and joyfully dances to the music of a morning breeze by the buses. Rhythm. If I should capture the most beautiful sunrise, only then will I stop capturing them. Danny Keeley. Let the beauty of the sunrise keep your heart warm. Thank you very much, and please don't forget to subscribe to this channel that will give you joy and inspirational thoughts.